I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the another benchmark test on the Realme X7 Max after doing the factory reset. Yes friend, just a couple of hours ago I did do the factory reset in the Realme X7 Max, and right now I'm going to do the another benchmark test after the factory reset. Let's see so how much another benchmark score we can actually expect in the Realme X7 Max device. So here's the exact model I'm trying to use. As you can see friends, the reason why I did the factory reset is because of the recent software update. There are a couple of issues is going on. That is the reason I thought of doing the factory reset update, and let's see after doing factory reset how much Antutu benchmark score got improved. So there is no application installed, only two applications apart from this Antutu. There is no application installed at this point of doing this kind of test. This is my first time doing the Antutu benchmark test in this phone after the factory reset. That is what I'm going to say. So right now, as you can see friends, there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no mobile data, nothing. So I'll try to keep the brightness also to minimum only 50% brightness during this time of demonstration. Right now the battery percentage is 46% and temperature is pretty normal. 34 degrees, as you can see, 34 degrees, 33. It's kind of really normal. My room temperature is 31, 32 and the phone temperature is 34 degrees. Let's see how much Antutu benchmark score I can actually expect in this phone. Because before doing the factory reset, I did get close to I think 6,91,000 of score in the Antutu benchmark test. But after doing factory reset, whether the Antutu benchmark score will be improved or not, that is what I'm going to check in this video with the latest update. So a lot of users, they do have this kind of concern that whether to do the factory reset or not. Doing the factory reset will fix all the issues or not. But in this video, we'll get to know how is the Antutu benchmark score. Let's see whether we'll be able to get that kind of 7 lakhs of Antutu benchmark score in this Dimensity 1200 processor or not. That is what going to be really interesting. So you're seeing the Realme GT Neo. That's because it's not updated in the Antutu benchmark application. That is the reason you are seeing the Realme GT Neo name on that application. So apart from that, there's nothing much. So even I need to do the 120 FPS gameplay test and touch sampling rate test as well. There's so much testings which I need to do after the factory reset. These are the main reasons why I actually did the factory reset in the Realme X7 Max, and plenty of other users are actually thinking of doing factory resetting their phone. But they want my suggestion from me whether doing the factory reset will fix or not. That is the reason I thought of doing. So let's see what will be the Antutu benchmark score. Again, I'll be back after some time to check the temperatures. So right now, let's see friends, after a couple of minutes of testing the Antutu benchmark test, and the temperature increased to 38.6 degrees during this time of testing. As you can see, 38.4, and back side 37 degrees. As you can see, 37 degrees on the back side. 38.6 is the front side temperature, as you can see friends clearly. So this much of temperature has been increased. So for the first I think 90% when it got reached. So let's see how much the Antutu benchmark score will be, we can actually expect after doing the factory reset. So this is going to be a really interesting thing, because as I said, few of the problems got fixed, it seems, for few users, but I need to test in my unit whether the problems are actually fixed or not by trying the 120 FPS gameplay and doing the touch sampling rate testing. All the things I need to do on this phone as soon as possible. So right now it's kind of close to 90%. As you can see friends, right now the Antutu benchmark score, we got the results. So it's still the same, it's only 6,77,000. The reason why I'm saying only because some users, they did report that their Antutu benchmark got close to 7 lakhs of Antutu benchmark score. But right now I did do the complete factory reset, and let me take the screenshot. I took the screenshot as well. As you can see friends, this is a complete new phone only. Let me quickly show you. As you can see, completely, there's not even any kind of bloatware installed, nothing at all. It's completely after doing the complete factory reset. First time I'm doing the Antutu benchmark test here. So in this, in terms of the Antutu benchmark score, I did not find much kind of difference, to be frank. So it's kind of same like before, so nothing much different. So I'll try to do the 120 FPS gaming and touch sampling rate after the factory reset. So make sure to stay tuned for those updates. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.